24 mm. Okay. New oil filter, 20,000 mile protection. Synthetic media provides over 99% data tapping efficiency. Proven protection up to 20,000 miles, 32,000 kilometers. Used with an appropriate synthetic oil. Confirm that all components needed for oil service are present in the box. Pull the quarter pin from the relief tube of the housing cap. Twist the oil cap drain plug 90 degrees. Pull the oil cap drain plug out of the housing cap to purge oil from the housing. Remove housing cap from the filter housing. Using 24 mm socket, remove and discard used oil filter element. Replace O-ring seal in the housing cap. Ensure in placement in correct groove and lightly lubricate the O-ring with the clean oil. Lubricate the small O-ring installed in the oil drain plug on the filter with the clean oil. Then align the oil drain plug with the oil drain plug hole on the housing cap and plug the filter into the housing cap, making sure plug is in place. Install the quarter pin into the side of the drain hole on the housing cap and make sure to pass through the hole on the oil drain plug. Use a 24 mm socket to thread the housing cap with the filter into housing. This is the quarter pin. This is the oil relief plug. This is the quarter pin. This is the O-ring. Oil drain plug gasket. This is the groove, okay. This is the groove. Then install the O-ring to the groove. This is the new oil filter element, not filter. This is technically called as a filter element. This is the new quarter pin. Install these two here, then turn 90 degree. Okay, then this hole to here. See? See? This one, see, it's like tight. Just one click, then install the quarter pin. Just the quarter pin, see, click, see, click. Okay, this is the new filter. Use the finger to feel is all the way in the good fit. See, first time I thought it's tight, but it was not on the way all the way down. Now it's all the way down. It's like all the way down fit.